So student, next question is 91st. We are supposed to find out the E cell in this question. So first of all, what is E cell? Already reaction is given. So E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by n log the concentration of products divided by the concentration of reactants, right? Already we know. In this given reaction, what are product is Ni plus 2. Concentration is already given. And what is the reactant? That is silver. That is also given. So we can modify it like, what is E naught cell for this case? That is 10.5 minus 0.059 divided by, what's the value of n? Number of transferred electrons. There are 2 electrons. Ni is going into Ni plus 2. It means it is donating 2 electrons. And silver is absorbing 2 electrons. There are 2 silver. So you can say 2 log the concentration of product. What is product here? Concentration of product is 0.00001 raised to power 1 divided by concentration of silver. Concentration of silver, and that is 0.001 raised to power 2. So we can say it is 10.5 minus 0.059 divided by 2 log 10 raised to power minus 3 divided by 10 raised to minus 3 raised to power 2. It means 10 raised to power 3. So we can say it is 10 raised to power 3. It means 3 log 10. Log 10 is 1. So directly we can say it is 3. It is 3. 10.5 minus 0.059 divided by 2 into 3. 3 into log 10. Log 10 is 1. Okay. So we can say this value 10.05 minus this value. If we solve this, it will come around 10 point something, right? 10.115 around. So 10 point something, but there is no option given in 10 point something. Actually, no option is matching according to this given data. If we assume it is 1.05, in that situation 1.05 minus this term, it will come 0.9615. But 1.05 is not given. Means most probably it is misprinting. You will get the bonus marks. Because according to the given data, no correct option is here. No correct answer is here. It means most probably you will get the bonus marks. So no one is correct. Okay. So we can say misprinting or incorrect question. Incorrect question. Okay. It is the final conclusion. Okay. So next one. Okay, which one of the following will not form when the acetone react with 2-pentane? Acetone means this molecule CH3, C double bond O and CH3. It reacts with 2-pentane. Reacts with 2-pentanone. Where should I write actually? There is limited space. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, and CH3. Right? Pentanone 2. It is slightly lengthy or time consuming problem. But if we use the conclusion of the aldol condensation reaction very easily, in very limited time you can solve the problem. We know it very well. In aldol condensation, what is the final conclusion? We have to take two different carbonyl molecule. Two carbonyl molecule. From one carbonyl molecule we can use, let's say I am saying R1, R2. And from the another carbonyl molecule we have to use the alpha hydrogens. And finally alpha hydrogen H2C, and whatever the case remaining is, you can say R3, R4, anything. Finally we have to eliminate water. So we know C double bond, C bond is here. Let's say R prime, anything we can write down, R1, R2. Acetone means on the second carbon from the terminal there is oxygen. In pentanone 2 also from the second position from the terminal there is C double bond O group, C double bond O group. It means if we react, let's say I am saying it is molecule A and it is molecule B. So there will be different type of aldol products. First, A can react with A, B can react with B, yes. And there are two different type of alpha hydrogens, alpha 1 and alpha 2. So by intramolecular aldol or simple aldol, you can form two different compounds from this molecule itself. But still, we can say A plus A, some product, B plus B, again some product, and intermolecular means crossed aldol also. We can use double bond O of this compound and alpha hydrogen of this compound, or the vice versa. We can use C double bond O means carbonyl group of this molecule and the alpha hydrogen of this molecule. Whatever case we are using, but one thing is confirmed, in the final product, either we will get pi bond on the second carbon, surely, either we will get pi bond on the second carbon, or we will get methyl keto. Either we will get methyl keto. This conclusion is 100% sure in either of the case. So, if we observe this thing in the first option, yes, we have methyl. It can be formed. On the second carbon, we have pi bond also. Means both the conclusions are satisfied here. Means it can. Come to here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, on the third carbon we are getting oxygen. It is not methyl keto, it is ethyl keto. And if we move from this terminal 1, 2, 3, on the third carbon again, we are getting pi bond. From this terminal, where is oxygen on the third carbon? Not possible. From this terminal, where is pi bond? On the third carbon, again not possible. It means by any combination of these two molecules A and B, we cannot form this molecule. Okay, let's observe the other options. On this terminal, we are getting methyl keto. In this molecule, yes, we are also getting methyl keto. We are also getting pi bond on the second carbon. So by concluding these options, we can say the only compound B is the molecule which cannot be formed by this aldol condensation reaction. Okay, so correct answer is actually second. The next, it is a time consuming problem. Okay, the next one, very simple, very simple case. It is not very clear actually. Let me write down first. It is bromine, this one is chlorine, this one is methyl, CH3 we can say, and it is the OH. Okay, and we are supposed to find the IUPAC nomenclature of this molecule. Very simple case, very simple case. We have to apply only the lowest sum rule. If we start numbering from this terminal, second, third, fourth, and sixth. On the second, fourth means second, fourth, fifth, and sixth carbon, we have some substituents. So a functional group. So what is the sum of this? It is how much? 2, 3. It is 3. It is 3. It is 4. Okay, it is 4 and it is 6, so it is 15, right? It is 15. 2, 3, 4 and 6. But if we start numbering from this terminal, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What will be the sum? 1 plus 3 plus 4 and 5. What it will be? It will be 30. So where is the lowest sum? From this terms. So we can say this numbering is correct numbering. Now we have to write down in the alphabetical order. This group start from alphabet B, its naming start from C, it's M, and it's a functional group also, or you can say the O. So firstly we have to write down B means 1 bromo, right? After that C means chloro, so 5 chloro, 4 methyl, and hexane 3 4, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there are total 6 carbon in the parent chain. So we can say hexane 3 4. So option 1 is very simple case. Okay. The next one again simple question. again simple case. They are saying the radius of the second Bohr's orbit for He plus ion is this much. What will be the radius of the third Bohr's orbit of Li plus 2 ion? So we know what is the case for the radius for the hydrogen or hydrogen-like species. Okay, so we can say it is directly proportional to n square and inversely proportional to z. Or you also know it is 0.529 n square over z. So suppose that I am saying helium is 1 and lithium is 2. Just symbolically represent this. I am saying nothing. So what will be R1? R1 means not first Bohr's orbit. I am saying it is the expression for helium ion. It is the expression for helium ion. Be very clear because there is limited space. So we can say it is 0.529 and n1 square divided by z1, and for R2 means expression for Li plus 2. Note it is the second Bohr's orbit. So we can say, sir, it is 0.529 n2 square divided by z2. If I divide these two, R1 by R2 means R of helium ion divided by R of lithium, right? So we will get n1 square by z1 and z2 by n2 square, right? What is n1? n1 is the second Bohr's orbit, means it is 2, and it is third Bohr orbit. They are saying third Bohr orbit. So this value is 3. So I am saying n1 by n2 square into z2 by z1, right? So 2 by 3, okay? 2 by 3 square into, what is the atomic number of lithium? It is 3, and for helium it is 2. So it is effectively 2 by 3. It is effectively 2 by 3. What is R1? R1 is the radius of helium ion. It means it is 105. Here, so I write down here. Let's see. Okay. So it is 105.8 divided by R2. R2 means radius for Li plus 2 ion is equal to 2 by 3. So what it will be? It will be R of lithium must be equal to 3 by 2 times of this value. 3 by 2 times of this value. So R of Li plus 2, 3 by 2 times of 105.8. If you solve it, you will get 108.7. Directly you can make the idea. It is 1.5 times of this value, approximately this thing. Okay. So first option is correct option, right? Next one. It was the directly formula based question. Next one. A compound acts on reaction with ozone followed by the zinc and water. It means it is reductive ozonolysis. What it is? It is reductive ozonolysis. Gives formaldehyde as one of the product and 2-methyl propanol. 2-methyl propanol. What is 2-methyl propanol? CH3, CH3 and CHO. It is 2-methyl propanol. And what is the other molecule? Another molecule is formaldehyde. It means HH. These are the product of ozonolysis, reductive ozonolysis of compound X. So how we can find that particular alkene, that compound X? Just remove this O and just add these two carbons. You will get the final. So what it will be? CH, CH3, CH, double bond, CH. Right? So what it is? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 3-methyl but 1-ene. 3-methyl but 1-ene. It is given in the first option itself. 3-methyl but 1-ene. Okay. So correct answer is the first one. Okay.